Hi, welcome to today's Inktober. So two things. Firstly, this is a little bit late because I finished the painting, the clock, but it was then I think it was the day that Alice decided to get stuck up a tree for 7 hours, so I didn't have any time to edit it or put it online. So I have finished it today, but I wanted to show it to you. I'll show you the creating bit first. So it's the first time I really ever painted a clock. I took it really literally. I'm interested to see what everybody else did, but I did take it quite literally and it was really interesting. I think there's a million things I could have done better, but I'm quite proud of the result. And so here is the final piece because I stopped recording I ran out of battery in all honesty. So there it is. I'll show you a close-up. I'm quite proud of it in the end. It's completely not what I usually do, so that was fun. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please give it a like if you have, and drop me a comment below letting me know if you have any more suggestions for the rest of Inktober. I've really enjoyed the suggestions and they've been super helpful. Thanks.